Something a little bit different today. We're gonna be moving this unit over there and then taking them two out and then installing one instead of the two over there. It's gonna be a fun little project. And our new unit just arrived. Big boy. That's the old one coming out. Just removing some extra parts because they're going to the dump. Let me show you this, what's going on now. That's where that one was. That one's gonna come out also. This one is staying. Are again on a completion of these two systems, but we had to disconnect all three just to get that one in. That's a brand new system. We had to replace the rectifier on this one, and that's a brand new install. New valves, new exhaust, new vents. Working like it should.